Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're backtracking a bit along Florida State Road 30, the former US-98 alternate, to cover this scenic stretch that we passed in our last video. This eastbound segment of Front Beach Road begins at the US-98 main line just east of Phillips Inlet in the community of Laguna Beach. The route stays close to the shoreline and is a simple two-lane roadway, one lane in each direction, undivided for nearly its entire length. There are few traffic signals along the way, although we'll encounter several pedestrian crosswalks controlled by flashing beacons near beach access points. Laguna Beach itself is a quiet, unincorporated beachfront community with around 4,300 residents, known for its laid-back atmosphere, small cottages, and clear views of the Gulf of America directly alongside the highway. As we move eastward through Laguna Beach, we begin to pass roadside signs marking notable named sections of this long, continuous stretch of coastal development. These include Sunnyside, Santa Monica, and Laguna Beach itself, distinct communities that appear on local signage even though the larger census area is all classified as Laguna Beach. Sunnyside sits on the far west end and largely consists of beach cottages and vacation rentals, while Santa Monica follows to the east as another small neighborhood of homes and rental cottages that connects directly to the sand via short cross streets. Although these community names have blurred together over time, locals still recognize each by its traditional signage and long-standing identity along Front Beach Road. Throughout this portion, the setting maintains a relaxed, low-density feel with open Gulf views, modest beach homes, and neighborhood streets feeding into the main road. Continuing farther east, the area gradually transitions into the city limits of Panama City Beach, where the density of buildings and traffic begins to pick up. Here, Front Beach Road serves as a linear main street with restaurants, motels, and beach access points appearing more frequently. Panama City Beach has grown into a major Gulf Coast resort destination with a population of just over 8,000 residents and a median household income near $80,000. The city's 27 miles of coastline attract visitors year-round, and Front Beach Road is the primary route connecting the beachfront resorts, condos, and small businesses that line the shore. Even so, this segment still retains its local charm with pedestrian traffic, scattered small inns, and older beach properties that show the evolution of this stretch from sleepy community to premier vacation destination. Approaching the junction with South Arnold Road, we enter the large modern roundabout that marks the southern extension of State Road 79. This intersection is one of the newest major upgrades along Front Beach Road, designed to improve traffic flow between State Road 79 and the beachfront corridor. As we pass through the circle, note the erroneous highway shields briefly labeling this segment as County Road 30 instead of State Road 30, a quirk found on a few local signs despite the official FDOT designation. Once through the roundabout, the route continues along the same two-lane beachfront roadway lined with more resorts, condominiums, and businesses, maintaining its scenic character as it stretches east. we end this drive about halfway along Front Beach Road at mile 7.6, where this segment of State Road 30 concludes for today. Thanks for watching. We'd like to welcome our newest channel member, Catherine Cawthorn, on the Navigator level, and special thanks to Jeremy WC, who upgraded to Navigator. We appreciate all of our channel members whose names are listed at the end of each video. You too can become a member for as little as $1 a month by clicking on the Join button below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.